guys, Midwest Picker here. I wanted to make a video. It's been a little while. Sales have gone crazy and I've been busy. I've got stacks of raw video. I've just got to process it and get it done, but it's been hard. But I wanted to make a video getting back to the basics. This channel, I did a lot of how-to videos for eBay beginners or resellers that are beginners on shipping and sourcing and research and things like that. There's also a DIY or do-it-yourself thing that you can do to save a ton of money. So I'm going to talk about that near the end of the video, what I did to save myself about $90. It's pretty cool. But first, before I get to that, I got an early Christmas present. So my mother-in-law, Tracy, she gave all of her kids and their spouses early Christmas presents this year because we're going on vacation soon. This is Saturday after Thanksgiving. So she got me a gift and my wife and everybody else. So this is what she got me. She got me this beautiful automatic knife. Can you believe that? The best mother-in-law in the world. It's aluminum handle, olive drab. Very nice knife. And if you look on the back, it says, oh, wrong side. It says, what does that say? Midwest Picker. So yeah, very cool. I like it. Make sure you know the knife laws in your state before you buy one of these. They're very handy. In Michigan, it doesn't matter if it's concealed carry or open carry. These are now legal as of October 2017. But yeah, isn't that sweet? How many of you have mother-in-laws that would buy you an automatic knife for Christmas? That's pretty cool. Okay, I have to be totally honest. She did not buy me a pocket knife. She gave us all cash, and I bought the knife myself and some very comfortable shoes that I needed anyways that I'm going to use in Florida when we go on vacation and every day and at work. So, but yeah, this is an awesome knife. I'm going to put the company here. It's called Boker, and I got it from the website Blade HQ. So it's a very good website, very high quality knives they sell there. Cheapest are about $29 to $39, and they go way up to the $200 and $300 range. But this is a very good knife, good everyday carry, useful knife. So for eBay beginners, and you guys have been doing this for a long time, you already know this. This is a sourcing tip. So something that I do is I source for items while I'm at work. I work full time, and a lot of you guys do, but I source on my lunch break. I source on the way to work, and I source after work. So think about garage sales, auctions, estate sales around your workplace, and then of course thrift stores. But if you get a nice lunch break, you could hit a thrift store, drive through at a restaurant, and then go back to work, maybe eat at your desk. But get creative with your sourcing ideas. If you only source on Saturdays, you're really going to miss out. I went sourcing after work. On the way home, I stopped at a thrift store like on a Wednesday. So there's a lot of estate sales that start on Thursday, but if you're going to do thrift stores, they do put out good stuff throughout the week, and if you only wait till Saturday to do your sourcing, you're going to miss out. So recently I stopped on the way home from work, and I stopped at a thrift store, and I saw this item, and I just went with my gut. It was a big bag of brass items. I don't even know what they were, but they were really heavy, and they were really big, and it was $10. And I thought, you know what, I'm only going to pop in here for like 10 minutes. I grabbed it and I bought it. So after I got home, I looked it up, and this is what it is. Isn't that beautiful? And I had no clue what this huge thing is. It's really heavy. It's about, I'll weigh it real quick because I'm not sure how heavy it is. It's only 1 pound and 3 ounces. I thought it would be heavier, but it's very ornate, very well made, solid brass. 4 of these in a Ziploc bag with all the hardware, the screws, for $10. I thought, you know what, I'm just going to buy it. So I got home and I used the app Google Lens and took a picture of it, and immediately it came up. So this is a foot rail bracket for bars, and I'll put a picture up here, maybe a stock photo of one of these. So yeah, if you ever go to a bar, if you've ever seen a bar on TV like the show Cheers, there's a railing along the bottom about a foot from the floor, and you would put your foot on there. And that railing has different brackets, different styles. This is ornate and it's brass. So anyways, long story short, this is available on Amazon for 25 bucks a piece. There's other websites outside of eBay and Amazon, just like, I don't know, bar supply websites. These are 31 bucks a piece. So I have 4 of them, plus the hardware. I'm probably going to list them for $99.99 for all 4 of them, plus shipping on top. I don't know what's going to happen. There's not a lot of them on eBay. There's probably not a lot of demand for a foot rail bracket. This is really cool though. And I gotta kind of like kill the temptation to keep stuff, because if you're going to be a picker and reseller, you can't just keep everything. And I know what you're thinking. You're looking back here thinking, yeah, you probably keep everything. No, this is like 5% of the stuff I buy, I keep, just because I like it, especially books. Anything to do with history, I love. Or unusual stuff for the wall. But I'm going to sell these for 100 bucks for all 4 of them, see where it goes. Maybe somebody will make me an offer. This is a long tail item. This is not a highly popular thing. This is not a cell phone case or a car charger. I mean, this is something that's going to take a while. But I just went with my gut instinct, and I did good, I think. I think it's going to sell well. The other thing was a lamp. Now, right at the cash register, they have the nice stuff. And if you're from Michigan, you might be familiar with the Amway Grand Plaza Hotel. I'll put a picture up here. Well, apparently they gave a bunch of stuff to this thrift store. And if you know anything about the Amway Grand Plaza Hotel, it's the most expensive hotel in West Michigan. They don't buy junk. You know, anything they buy is high quality. And they had some of their lamps there, and there was only 1 left. And it had a sign on it, Manager's Special, own a piece of Grand Rapids, Michigan history. It was $5. I didn't have to think about it. I knew it wasn't resin or plastic. I bought it, and this thing is heavy. It is cast aluminum. It's really cool. It didn't come with a lampshade, so I'm going to have to buy one, but I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like. Alright, this is the lamp. Yeah, it's very heavy. Don't have a lampshade, just have a piece of paper as a diffuser so I don't blind you. But yeah, it is really, really heavy. Probably 10 pounds. Real ornate, really cool. I have no idea on the age. It's got one of those old gold cords, but it's just really nice. I'm going to get a really nice lampshade for that, but that's definitely a keeper. So the DIY or do-it-yourself section of this video, I saved myself about $80 or $90. When I take pictures of my items for eBay or listing online, Mercari or whatever, I've been using like white sheets of paper and putting the object on there with a LED light, trying to get a good lighting and good picture. That's what I've been doing for decades. Never thought about a light box. And then I went on Amazon, and they have them for, I think, $59 is the cheapest I saw. Some are $89, some are $90. They go up to $180 and even higher. And I was about to pull the trigger on one for $89, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to wait. I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to search make your own light box or DIY light box. And immediately I found this guy's channel, and I'm going to link it below in the description. I'll put a picture of the one I almost bought here, but he had instructions on how to build your own light box, which is 30 wide and 20 high, for $7 in material that you could buy from your local dollar store. So I watched his video, and sure enough, I went to my dollar store and got, I think it's a foam board that's white on one side and a color on the other, one plastic tablecloth that's rectangular. I already own duct tape and a razor knife. I did buy 2 wooden rulers, so really $7 in material, and I built myself a light box. So let's go over there right now and I'll show it to you. Alright, so this is the light box. It's kind of hard to see, but it is pretty big. You got these side panels that diffuse the light here. I have an LED light on one side and an LED on the other. I already own those. And then you just put your object in the center. I'm not going to sell this. This is from Garage Flips, but that's just for demonstration purposes. But it's really cool. I just have it stuck in the corner there, and it takes fantastic photos, really cuts down on the shadows, makes the picture just look more professional. And you see that crease in the back. You can get rid of that by getting a white poster board and putting it in the back here. Let's see if you can see my hand. Put it in the back here to the top, and then run it down here and have a curve. And then up here you can use like clips to hold the poster board in place. If you want a seamless white background, you can do that. And I've seen demonstrations on that guy's website. It almost looks like a stock photo. They look really cool. So I'm going to put some sample pictures up here. We'll say the light box photo will be here, and then the old way is over here. Not a big difference, but it does look better. Depends on the item. If it's something that reflects a lot, if it's shiny and you don't want a lot of reflection, the light box works really good because it diffuses the light. If you have dark objects, they really pop and show good. And then if you're going to take a picture of something that's white, you can get a poster board that's light blue or pink or whatever to change up the background, and just roll it up in the back of that light box, and that'll look really good too. So I'm excited. I haven't used it yet to list anything, but I'm going to be doing that soon. So yeah, that's my advice, guys. Build your own light box. If you already have a light box, that's fine. But if you haven't bought one yet, think about making your own. There's lots of things you can do when you're a beginner to reselling to save money. Making your own light box is one way. I recycle bubble wrap all the time. I get it from friends and family. I haven't dumpster dived yet, but maybe someday. People give me their empty boxes, or I get them from work. The smaller the box, the better. So recycle boxes, recycle bubble wrap, make your own light box. If you want to use your phone to take photos, you can do that. You don't need an expensive digital camera to take pictures and to list your items. Just use your phone. You can even list from your phone if you don't have a computer. I don't recommend that, but there are ways to cut corners and to save money in the beginning. So that's it today, guys. That's my haul video of these beautiful brass items. I think I did. I'm not sure if I put a stock photo of this item, but these are really cool. I'm not going to keep them. But yeah, I was down in Fort Wayne, Indiana with the family on Friday and did some thrift store hauls, and they're all over the floor. I'm surrounded by this really cool stuff. The wife found some good stuff. The daughter found some good stuff. My sister and I were competing with each other. It was a whole lot of fun. Lots of raw video. I have to put that together, but this is just a quick DIY how to save money video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I have links below on how to check out that other guy's video on how to make a light box. That's it, guys. The next video will be coming up soon in a few days. Thanks for watching.